cold or cough, slowing you down. Season changes often bring a running nose and an itchy throat. But before you rush to the medicine, here is a quick and natural home cure that really works. You just need 4 simple ingredients: honey, turmeric, ginger, and warm water. You can also add few drops of lemon juice for extra vitamin C. Now mix 1 teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of turmeric and few drops of ginger juice in a cup of water. This simple mix helps you soothe your throat, reduce cough and clear the congestion. Try this twice a day, morning and night, and you will start feeling better. Stay healthy, stay cared for naturally. Follow us for more quick wellness tips.